Hello everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel and to my latest video. Today, I'll guide you on how to fix the Snapchat device ban issue after the iOS 17.4 update. Before we start, make sure to watch the entire video, leave a comment, hit the like button, and subscribe to my channel. Let's dive right into the methods to solve this issue. Firstly, open your Settings app and turn on airplane mode for a few minutes. Then, turn off airplane mode and ensure your Wi-Fi is connected. If Wi-Fi is disconnected, reconnect it and check if the problem persists. If the issue persists, try resetting network settings. Go to Settings, then General, and select Reset Network Settings. Enter your iPhone password, confirm the reset, and check if the problem is resolved. If not, try Managing Storage. Go to Settings, General, and select iPhone Storage. Scroll down, find the Snapchat application, and select Offload App. Confirm, then reinstall Snapchat from the App Store. If the issue persists, try restarting your device. Go to Settings, General, and select Shutdown. Slide to power off, wait a few minutes, then restart your device and check if the problem persists. If none of these methods work, try uninstalling and reinstalling Snapchat. Long press on the Snapchat app icon, select Remove App, then Delete App. Reinstall Snapchat from the App Store and log in again. I hope one of these methods resolves your issue. If it does, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching.